ready to declutter your Beehiiv dashboard and permanently say goodbye to an old publication. Let's dive into how to delete one and what you absolutely need to know before you hit that button. First things first, log into your Beehiiv account and navigate to your main dashboard, where you'll see a list of all your active publications. This is where you'll identify the publication you wish to remove. Hover over the publication you want to delete. You'll typically find a settings or management icon right next to its name. Click on this to access the publication's specific options. Within the publications settings, look for a section that relates to account or general settings. This is where the option to delete your publication will be housed. Now, here's the critical part. Locate the Delete Publication button before you click it. Be aware that this action is permanent. All your subscribers, content, and data associated with this publication will be irretrievably lost. Make sure you've backed up anything important, like subscriber lists or content you might want to reuse, if that's a concern. Beehiiv will almost certainly present you with a confirmation prompt to ensure you truly intend to proceed. You might need to type in a specific phrase or simply click a final confirmation button. Once confirmed, your publication will be permanently removed from your Beehiiv account. You've successfully managed your publications, keeping your workspace clean and focused on your active projects. Remember, when in doubt about deleting, archiving is always a safer first step for less critical publications.